back end of workflow business process automation. How the platforms work, the Active Directory, how monitoring the users, how applying the policies and the rules and permission and privilege on the users, how be integrated with the Microsoft Office, with the existing applications in the market, and the platforms with the applications that we familiar with, that we already use in our in the business. They use it in the healthcare providers. These the system architectures, how the business workflow automation it's look like. We see over here in the foundation the Windows Server 2003 that apply the policies on every single user, from physicians, clinicians, doctors. They access these applications. How the data is going to be stored and integrated with the PRM, patient relationship management database. The metadata database, it's these for I mentioned before, for working offline, synchronized in the mobile client. How big these all together, and platform services, security service, reporting service, email routing, workflow services, integration. The business designer, how your businesses work and apply all these policies, business hierarchy, security rules. The 4 rules, it's be applied on the user level, business unit, organization, system setting, custom forms, how we can customize, and all these 4 applications for actually the healthcare providers, because they care about the sales, service, marketing, and custom applications. Finally, the presentation, how we can access these applications through website. If you have any internet access, just type the URL of the applications, pop up a screen, put it your username and password, depends on your privilege, or pull up your information. And another version is through the Outlook. If you have locally Outlook version, we can set up these, you can access the information and access your email at the same times. And mobile version, and you can access from the PDA or mobile phone. All these connected through the Visual Engine Studio and the web service to connect websites, third-party websites with the applications. As I mentioned, all these, it's actually the components of the system architectures, how it's secure, the data across user and team, integrate information across applications. How, if you see over here, how's the levels of the user permissions, what kind of entities they can access, what the level of the information they can access, centralized management and diagnostics, integrate information across application and devices. Reporting service, let's say the executives or CEO of the regional healthcare information, you want to see the problems, what the numbers it can talk and simulate with many of database together and reporting, get the report in a few seconds. Open extends report solution, report with the workflow features, improve interactivity. That is very important of the platform service, email integration, automate email routing integration. We can set up, have a big library of subject token, that's called token in this kind of platform. We have a queue, every single email, it depends on the subject and the content of the email, go to the queue and send it to the, all these kind of emails. Mailbox level forwarding rules. Every single email, it should go through these workflow business automation email exchange router. That's route every single email to the proper company or physicians. Power system integration. That's you can build a forms, any kind of forms through the workflow using Engine Visual Studio. New form and user interface, web service integration, prevent and most business logic hook, native integration to the patient relationship management. We can integrate this kind of platform with the existing relationship management software and actually his system, hospital information system. Business designer, apply all the workflow and new regulation and rules. This is, business design is going to be responsible for this part. Rapid and powerful customization, modify core application object forms and workflow, design custom object forms and workflow, instant reporting view and web service. That's which is web service from the third-party website and a reporting service. Applications, that's for the healthcare provider, insurance company, and physicians. They concern about sales force automation, service management, scheduling, and dispatch for the phone calls and scheduling service activities and appointments, rich marketing management, and new and unique applications for the existing applications and workflow business process automation. Presentation, the rule-based application, productive rules-based application, natural extensions to the Microsoft Office, adaptive form navigation and information delivery, personalized for each user according to job rule, offline data synchronization and mobile access, that for offline synchronization, connected to the server and synchronize his own data to locally in his machine, working that, and synchronize the data again to the server. In the summary, that provide the users with the familiar productive system for managing patient, because we concern about the patient, how we take care of the patient, adapt easily to meet the key business need, and integrate seamlessly with the existing application and system. Is it a safe bit of business application needs? Actually, again, the reference is Nortel. It's the big company in Canada. They're working on the portal for just they specialize in healthcare. PBM, which is workflow business process automation, Microsoft PRM, patient management, and BizTalk web service, laboratory automation system, radiology system information. Actually, I'm going to see you some implemented applications. That's how it's a little bit. It's not deeply how the workflow it's work. This kind of schemas I built it because I don't have enough time. The whole process. Let's say I have the doctor see over here, and I log into my schemas. The another user, it says radiology. Everybody can see it. It's over here. It says radiology. The other one is the doctors. I can go to the case, open case as a doctors. I need X-ray for one of the patient. Open a new case. Provide the title. Let's say X-ray. Which patient? Let's say this first one, Andrea. The subjects, you don't have to type nothing, just choose what you have. Case type, request. Just focus over here. I'm a doctor, I open a case. This one should be automated right away to the radiology. They have to receive it. Since I click save and close, this one should be goes right away to the radiology right away.